Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Total Off-Road. Tim Bolton here. I've got a brand new 2025 Ford F-150 PowerBoost. Okay, this has got a twin turbo V6. It's got a hybrid system going on. I don't know much about it to be exact, but this thing is quick. All right. Now, this is a really cool truck, but there's one thing that this truck doesn't have that every truck needs. This thing has got no bed liner in it. Like, how is that possible? Do you not want a truck that you can treat like a truck? Like, come on. I mean, you got to be able to throw your wood in there. You got to be able to throw your bikes, the kids' bikes, the grill, throw the bodies in there, whatever you got to do, right? You got to be able to throw all that stuff in the back without damaging your truck. So us at Total Off-Road, we're going to throw some bed liner in it. I'm going to show you guys how we do it. Let's get to it. So we are in the installation booth, and you can see all of the trucks here that are all set up, and we got the trucks completely wrapped so that there's no liner getting on any of the paint or anywhere you don't want it to be, right? It's tough stuff. It's really hard to come off. We got our boy here wrapping this thing up really nice, and he's doing an excellent job with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to him getting some work done, and then I'm going to show you guys the final product when we're done. So I know a lot of you guys don't get a chance to see this in the process, and this is actually pretty cool for me to see too. All right, let's get to it. All right, we are now done with the installation. I'm going to show you guys the finished product here. I think it looks so good. And at the end of the day, the most important thing is that now you can treat this truck like a truck, right? Throw your stuff in the back, do whatever you need to do. And that's the whole point of having a truck. Look at that. That looks so smooth, so crisp. The guys at Total Off-Road just nailed this installation. This is done so perfect. Look at all the edges and everything. Yeah, absolutely killed it. Everything is done exceptionally well. Great job, guys. All right, so that's one of the things we do at Total Off-Road. That is a happy customer there. You guys saw the detail and how well it was done. You guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want something done in your truck or any of your vehicles, bring it on by. We'll take care of you. See you guys in the next video. Peace.